So I know this stuff does a great job on makeup. Now I'm going to see how it does on grease and oil from helping lift tires. I'm just going to check it out and see how it works. Put a little bit on here. All right. It's definitely working. It's lifting it up. Come on, guys. You know you want some of this. Working in the garage. It definitely works. Give me some water to rinse it off. And can you bring me a paper towel? Put some water on there. I'm just rubbing it in. I think I just found a new hand cleaner for my husband to use. And it smells good on top of that. So there you go. It does not have to just be for women only.